Tonight, more cases of monkeypox are showing up in the United States. However, cases in Tennessee aren't rising as quickly, especially around Knoxville. Monkeypox is a rare skin disease caused by the monkeypox virus. It can spread through close contact with someone who has lesions, also through body fluids, respiratory droplets, and contaminated materials such as bedding. 10 News reporter Jacinta Render has more on the monkeypox virus and the cases in Tennessee.
This map from the CDC shows there are 32 reported cases of monkeypox in Tennessee. The Knox County Health Department says the virus has made its way to Knoxville with only one reported case. Health experts want to make it clear this is nothing like the coronavirus.
I would just like to reinforce that this is a very unusual event, that this virus cannot be transmitted readily the way COVID has been transmitted.
Dr. William Schaffner of Vanderbilt University's Medical Center says the virus mostly spreads by skin-to-skin contact.
So we will not see huge outbreaks in our general population.
Symptoms include fever and uncomfortable skin rashes that can appear anywhere on the body. It can also spread sexually, but doctors warn monkeypox can infect anyone.
Any kind of skin-to-skin contact could potentially transmit this virus to anyone. The virus is not concerned about your sexual inclination.
Other ways to catch monkeypox include direct contact with the infection, prolonged face-to-face contact, and touching an infected surface.
So we're still aggressively trying to curtail this outbreak in all health jurisdictions in the United States.
There is a vaccine available, the Knox County Health Department says. Due to limited supply, they are following the CDC's recommendations by giving it to those who are at risk of infection. In Knoxville, I'm Jacinta Render.
We are all hearing a lot about monkeypox these days, so we want to break down what it is. Let's start out with the name. Monkeypox was first discovered in 1958 in monkeys used in scientific research, but it turns out they were not the source of it. They just happened to be susceptible to it like humans. It actually belongs to the same family of viruses as smallpox, but it is less contagious and much less deadly. When smallpox was eradicated more than 40 years ago, officials stopped vaccinating for it. The last monkeypox outbreak in the U.S. was back in 2003, but there were only 47 cases, all linked to pet prairie dogs. Those animals were infected after coming in contact with small mammals imported from the country of Ghana. The U.S. uses two types of smallpox vaccines to fight monkeypox, and the CDC says anyone who thinks they have been exposed should get a shot.